Alimony. We all know what it is, right? Financial support paid by one spouse to the other to help that person through the divorce and into the future. Sounds fair, right? Well, it depends on who you're talking to. If you're the one who provided the financial support, you may resent having to continue to do that for many years, maybe even forever after your divorce. After all, you're no longer together. Why should you have to pay your spouse the same amount of money so that he or she can continue to enjoy the same lifestyle as when you were married? You have two households now. Child support is one thing, but alimony is just not fair. On the other hand, if you're the one who was financially supported during the marriage, you probably feel entitled to have that support continue after your divorce. Maybe you gave up your career to take care of things at home so that your spouse could focus on his or her career. Maybe you never had a career in the first place. And maybe now, after many years of marriage, your spouse has suddenly told you that he or she wants a divorce. You feel you're being left high and dry to fend for yourself. It's just not fair. Well, you're both right. And that's one of the reasons why alimony is one of the toughest issues to resolve in so many New Jersey divorce cases. Another reason is, in New Jersey, there are no hard and fast rules that tell us when alimony should be paid, how much, and for how long. There's no written formula as there is for child support. There are no less than 12 specific factors that are supposed to be taken into consideration, along with a catch-all 13th factor. Moreover, there are several types of alimony which a New Jersey court can award: permanent alimony, term or limited duration alimony, rehabilitative alimony, reimbursement alimony, or some combination. How do you figure it all out? That's why who you choose as your lawyer for divorce in New Jersey is very important. No New Jersey divorce lawyer, no matter how long they've been in practice or how many divorce cases they've done, is going to be able to give you a guaranteed answer. What your New Jersey divorce lawyer should do is to educate you on each of the many factors that bear on the alimony determination and help you develop a plan going forward. At Salvaggio Law Group, New Jersey divorce and family law is all we do. If you need to talk, contact us, and we'll schedule a personal and confidential assessment. We really are here to help.